Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. So I'm looking at two Weber grills, the Traveler B0B9V9H8XZ and the Genesis S335 B09MV1ZMKK. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Traveler's around $449, while the Genesis is a whopping $1,403. What are you planning to use the grill for?
Well, I want something for camping, tailgating, maybe the occasional park trip. But also, I want it to be useful at home too.
Then the Traveler might be a better fit. It's designed for portability. It's only 32 pounds and folds down. The Genesis, even though it's smaller in product dimensions, is more of a stay-at-home, serious grilling machine. It's a beast to move around. I think it's only 1 pound, but it's heavy.
Okay, portability is a big plus. What about cooking power?
The Traveler has a single burner putting out 12,000 BTUs. The Genesis S335, on the other hand, has 3 main burners, plus a Sear burner and a side burner. It's a much more versatile setup.
A side burner would be nice for sauces.
Exactly. And the Genesis has the Weber-crafted system, so you can swap out the grates for different cooking surfaces, griddles, wokes, you name it.
Wow, that sounds fancy. But is it worth the extra $1,000?
That depends on how serious you are about grilling. The Genesis is stainless steel, has a larger cooking area, and features like an extra-large prep table and a grill locker for accessories. It is a full outdoor kitchen setup.
So the Traveler is more basic, but easier to move.
Precisely. It's got tool hooks, a side table, and a built-in thermometer, so you're not totally roughing it. It can cook up to 15 burgers. It uses those little propane tanks, but you can get an adapter for a big one. The Genesis is for someone who wants to do some serious grilling at home.
Okay. I think the Traveler might be the better choice for me. I like the idea of taking it anywhere.
Sounds like a plan. Plus, you can always upgrade later if you become a grilling master.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.